The EDS engineering team completed the reconstruction of the Topol electrical substation 150 10 kilovolts Dnipro electricity networks. Works for one of the important orderer were conducted during 6 months and completed as scheduled. The reconstruction significantly increases the reliability of energy supply to consumers. System for compensation of the full current of a single phase to ground fault was installed as a result of the reconstruction of the SH1 10 kilovolt network at the substation. This will minimize the number of surges acting on the insulation of the network in case of the arcing fault, the turn of current pulses and arc breakdowns. When a short circuit occurs, a new smart system creates a protective mode in the network, fully compensating for the capacitive and active ground fault current, as well as indicating the damaged connection and minimizing the electrical voltage in it. This will save the power supply to consumers in case of single-phase insulation damage, prevent risks of period damage of cable and network equipment from burning arcs and residual current flowing at the damaged site, as well as significantly reduce the time for repair and restoration works.